Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now soon the kids will be home for winter break and you'll need to keep some snack ready for them all the time. These potato pizza cups are the perfect quick and easy fun snack for them for those in between hungers. No need to prep the dough, no need for it to rise. Just keep some boiled potatoes ready and you'll have a quick and easy snack in no time. Let's get started. I have boiled, peeled and grated the potatoes for a lump-free base. We will season this lightly with salt, breadcrumbs and cornstarch. Now the breadcrumbs and cornstarch will act as binding agents and prevent the cups from breaking. Melted butter will give a nice silky texture to the cups. Knead this well to form a nice smooth ball. It may take a minute or two. This is perfect. I'm using a muffin tray for the cups. Grease it well. Take a lemon-sized portion and place it into the muffin tray to make a cup shape. Take your time and make it nice and equal on all sides. Let me show you one more time. Try to make a nice deep cup shape to hold the filling. Make all of them similarly. We will bake these for 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree preheated oven to make the base form. Let's start filling the cups with pizza sauce and veggie toppings. Now you can get creative and fill the cups with any toppings you like. You can even use paneer, chicken, sausage, pepperoni, shrimp, or any other veggies of your choice. The possibilities are endless. As always, the detailed recipe is in the description box below. I'm just seasoning this with dried basil and crushed red pepper. Involve your kids to fill their own cups. I'm sure they will enjoy this a lot. Finally, top it with mozzarella cheese. Use as much as your kids like. Bake these in a 350-degree preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes for the cheese to melt and the base to crisp up. Wow, look how tempting these look. The aroma of these baking will bring the kids straight into the kitchen. Let me show you how it turned out. I guarantee you these snacks are going to be an instant hit with your kids. The shape is holding perfectly, cheese has melted, and the veggies have cooked. Kids will love this fun snack. I'm gonna try one. This is really awesome. Hope you will make these soon. Those were some amazing snacks, right? Now if you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss those amazing recipes I'm going to show in the future. And like always, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye.